ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ? ಓಕೆ, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. In the last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, in the last session I have discussed the question number 1 and question number 2, right? So this is the question number 3 and part 2 in the section A. You have to attend. ಅದು question number 1 and 2 all the questions are compulsory, whereas in the question number in the part 2 section A there will be 3 question number 3, question number 4. There you have to attend any two question, right? First question number 3 is: a hockey team analyst decide whether the team performance will result in a win or draw based on the following condition. If the midfielder perform well but the defender do not perform well, if the goalkeeper perform well but forwards don't perform well, if all the player perform well. So yes, even the four variables input: M is midfielder, D is defenders, and F is forward players, and G is goalkeeper. So these are the four variables. Then you have to write the four variable truth table. Four variable means it will include S16, this one. What is that? 0 to 15. Start from 0 and ends at not 0, 1, right? 1 to 16. Okay. So I have taken the MDFG. And what is the first condition? If the modifier performs well. Sorry, modifier and ಬರ್ತದೆ. Sorry, midfielders ಅಂದ್ರೆ M, and defender don't perform well. So midfielder perform well means M is 1 and defender not perform well. M is 1 and D is 0. You can check wherever M is 1 and D is 0. See here, this one and this one and this one and this one, right? There are four. One, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, next condition: if the goalkeeper perform well but forward don't perform well. If the goalkeeper means G is 1 and G is 1 and F is 0. G is 1, F is 0. G is 1, ill 1 ಸಿಕ್ತು, 1 0 ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಿಕ್ತು, 1 1 0 ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಿಕ್ತು, 1 0 ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next, what is the next condition? If the goalkeeper, all the players are perform well. All the players are perform well means, so all the condition MDFG all are 1 1 1 1 1. So that is 1. So wherever the 1 is there, this question related to the I drew the table SOP. So wherever the 1 is there, 2, that you can see here, 2, start from 0, right? 0 0 0, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and 11 is the 12 13 and 15, right? So that you can write the cardinal form. Now we can write on the K map for that. So K map I can write. So what are the input? 1 5 8 9 1, and first you draw the truth table. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and what are the variables? MDFG. And as we know in the SOP, 1 is the minterm and 0 is the complement. M dash data 0 0 0 1, next 1 0, this is 1 1. MD 0 0 0 1, this is 1 0 and 1 1. 1 is the minterm, right? So what are the cardinal form? 1 5 8 9 10 11 13 15. So there is an option. What are the option are there? The one we can get the, so what is that? Next is grouping, right? So one quad, another one quad is there, and this one also we can make it. No, already it is 2, right? What is the other possibility? We can do one quad, second quad, or else we can do these two. Idannu quad ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, in this you can see quad number 1 MG and quad number 2. Quad number 1 MG. How it is MG? This one M. Here the remaining term is G, right? MD. And quad number 2, this 2. Literally MD dash directly we can write. And the pair here, So what is the same term m dash f dash g that we can write, and we can write on the truth table for mg m dash by using the logic gate we can write. So this question is for 10 marks. So you have to write this truth table and find out the wherever the 1, wherever the 0. After that, you write the cardinal form. You can write on the K map. In the K map, first you have to write the numbering, then grouping. Because it is a SOP, you have to write the main term is 1, and you can grouping admele, you can write on the which is the same term, and you can remove the complement term and write on the SOP in the form of this expression. Then you can write on the logic diagram. So that include 10 marks. Next, question number 2. Sorry, question number 4. They has given the pi means it is a POS 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what are the variables he has given? PQRS. So here it is a POS means in POS 0 is the max term and 1 is, oh, I written on wrong. Instead of 1, I should write here 0, right? Okay, as a teacher, I only did the mistake. Actually, it should be 0 because in the POS, the max term is 0, and you have to write this condition 0, 0. This is 0, 1. This is 1, 1, and 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Sorry, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. And you have to write what are the terms? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, the first column. Next 5, 7, I written. Next 8, 10, 15. So here this is not 1, you have to write 0. There is POS I written wrong. Okay, next you can check what is the grouping we can do. 1 quad and these two 1 quad, and this term the card either corner that another 1 quad. So what is the expression you can get it here? First 0280. What is that term? LLSLO 0280. The corner ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ what is the remaining term? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ P dash out ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Q is common term, and you can check these columns. R plus S, R dash R and R complement ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. S ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, right? Q plus S, and the quad 2 1357 here the P and the remaining term here S dash. Next quad number 3 8, 10, 5. 8, 10, 12, 30. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? P dash ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಗ ರೋ ಅಲ್ವಾ, R dash ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, S ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. P dash plus S. You can write on the POS ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's a product of sum. You have to write the sum then product. So first you have to use the OR gate, then you have to use the AND gate, right? That you can write logic diagram. And next he has given answer the question the follow. So question one line ಕೊಟ್ಟವನೆ, there are two variables, and the question, sorry, not question, one it's AND gate, it's a XOR gate, and it's a AND gate, right? So one ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A into B, and 2 is A XOR B, and X is A into B into A into, sorry, A XOR B. So what is the meaning of A into B? It's a multiplication. First you have to write, there are two variables means you have to write the two variable K map, sorry, two variable truth table 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So A into B, 0 into 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Next A XOR B. The A XOR B means A dash into B plus A into B dash. So as we know, if any one term is 1, you will get the answer 1. If both are 0, both are 1 means you will get answer 0. Next, these two you can multiply. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0 is 0. Right? And state whether the X is a tautology, contradiction, or contingency. So all the values are 0 means that is contradiction. All the values are 1 means it's a tautology. If it is a mixture of 1 and 0, that is a contingency. So all are 0. So you can write contradiction. Correct? So this question include 10 marks. You have to write the K-map and minimize. So what is the purpose of using the K-map? To minimize or to simplify the Boolean expression, right? There are some 12 to 14 Boolean laws are there. That all there also we can simplify. Other than the Boolean laws, we can use the K-map. Correct? So these are the questions easily you can attend. Next question, it is related to the radial decimal number encoder. In the we can discuss in the later. Okay. Question number sub question you check that. She has given one expression. Think that it is a valid or not by using a truth table. X and Z implies B Y equal Z implies Y and X implies Z. So you have to write the truth table and you have to check LHS is equal to RHS. So what are the variables he has given? X, Y, Z. So X, Y, Z means truth table. If it is a three variable means what is the values? It start from 0 to 7, right? 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Next, X into Z. What is the meaning of and symbol means that is a multiplication. So all the values will come X into Z, not X into Y, X into Z. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, right? Next, X into Z, this column, first, this is the first operand, implies Y. ಯಾವಾಗ X into Z, sorry, implies ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? If the 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1, you will get the answer 1. If the first input is 1, second input is 0, you will get the answer 0, right? So you can check this and X into Z, you can take this column number 4 and column number 2. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, it is 0, right? Next 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Only if the first input is 1 and the second input is 0, you will get the answer 0 in the implication. You know that, right? Next. So now the LHS is over. We are remaining the RHS. The RHS, what is the first expression he has given? Z implies Y. What is the meaning of implies? The same thing. Now you can go to the column Z and Y. Now Z is 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, it is, as we know, it is 0. 0, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, it is 0. Next 0, 1, 1. 1, 1 is 1. Don't confuse. Here the first term is Z, next is Y. Don't confuse Y implies Z. It is Z implies Y. Next is X implies Z. So you can see the X implies Z. This column number 1 and 3. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now these two columns you can multiply. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1 is 1. And now you can check the LHS is equal to RHS. No, right? This column and this column. So both are not same. Then you can write down this equation is not a valid equation. It is a valid proposition. By using the truth values, the 1 and 0, it is different. So you can confirm that it is not valid, right? Next, we can go to the next question. Write the canonical form. Write the canonical form for the cardinal terms M6 and M6. What is the meaning of what is the decimal here he has given? LMNO. So it is a 4 variable. So what is the value of binary value of 6? If it is a 3 variable, value is 110. If it is a 4 variable, 0, 1, 1, 0, right? So in the min term, as we know, in the min term, one is the min term and 0 is the max term. So what is the value? 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0 means in the min term, L is the double complement, Mn and O. Whereas in the max term, 0 is the max term, L plus M dash plus N dash plus O. So here the small m is nothing but a min term and the capital M is nothing but the max term. I hope you understand. So these are the topics. It's related to the question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. There you can score 20 out of 20 compared to the section B and C. You can get the full marks, isn't it? Yes. So now question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 and question number 4 and question number 5 and question number 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions is over. Almost 20 plus 20 is 40 marks is over. Now I can go to the section B. So here the It is the most time consuming part. Here only most time consuming. Section B. You have to write the Java program as well as you have to write the what is that comment. Don't forget to write the comments. So if you write the comment, you will have one benefit. Okay. Now go to the section C. See, this can be you have to write the logic of the program and you have to explain the comments also, right? Flowchart and also are not required. Program must be written in Java. So you have to write the program where in the Java. Don't write in the Python and all. So what is the question? Sixth question is a design a class. So here also in the section B, you can expect one question from the number or encoding or this one, and one question from the double dimension array, and one question from the string, right? As we know in the ISC board. Okay, next. What is the class name? Decibin. To accept a positive integer in a decimal number system from the user. So to use the scanner class, it accepts only positive integer. If you enter the negative integer means it should come out of the program and display its binary equivalent. So what is the meaning of this one? So you have to accept the decimal and you have to convert into binary. As we know, the logic, how we can divide the number, if how to convert decimal to binary divided by 2, and we can keep the remainder as it is until last digit, right? Okay, now 25. If you are going to divide the number 25 by 2, you will get the quotient. You have to write starting from the LSB to the MSB. What is the class name he has given? Decibel. And what are the instance variable he has given? Num and bin. Num is the positive, it's a positive decimal number. Bin is the its equivalent binary form. So you have to store the bin. So number is the integer, whereas bin is the string. You have to store in the form of string. And what is the first method he has given? Decibin. In that, it is not a method. The class name and the method name are both are same, means it is a constructor. You know that, right? What is the characteristics of constructor? Constructor is a special type of a method where it is a the method name and class name are same. So what is the purpose of using the constructor? To initialize the, here it is a default constructor. So it is going to initialize the default values. What is the default value of integer? As we know, it is a 0. That we can do. Next, get num. Here in this method, we can accept the decimal number, and you have to check it should be the decimal number. It should not be the negative number. Okay, next. And next method is convert. This is the method. This method you have to write. Here you have to convert decimal to the binary number by using the recursive technique. What is the meaning of recursive technique? We know the iterative technique. How we can divide it. Recursive means we are not supposed to use the loop, and you have to call the function itself, right? And display. So at the end, you have to display the decimal number and its binary equivalent by invoking the convert. So here you are not going to call the invert. In the display, you are going to invoke a convert. So read the question properly. Then only you can get the full marks. And specify the class decibin and what are the, and you have to create the main and create the object, and you can invoke the method. And you are not going to invoke the constructor. As we know, constructor is going to automatically invoke. So what is the first function? What is the first line in the Java program? So as we know, first we are going to call the package. Inside the package, what is the keyword? Import. For scanner class, java.util.scanner or java.util.star also. So star means it will include all the classes inside that package. So what is the first class name? Decibin. And you have to initialize the instance variable. What are that? As we know, in the question only has given num, it should be of integer, and the binary value it should be stored in the form of a string. And he has given the constructor, and you have to initialize num is equal to 0. What is the default value of integer? 0. What is the default value of b? It's a double quote. It's nothing but a null, right? So now you can accept the number, decimal number, that to positive number, right? So to use the scanner class is you can create the scanner object. And okay, once you scan the scanner object, you can accept the by using the what is the method to accept the input next int. So once you accept it, now you're going to check that it should be greater than 0. It should not be 0 also. not less than or equal to 0. If it is entered, the number is negative number, means you should come out of that system.exit. System.exit means it's a termination. It will come out of the loop. Next. So what is the next method? Recursive method. This is the method. It requires the logic. So in the 10th, so in the ICS 10th, it is different. We are not using the recursive, whereas in the 11th or 12th, we are using the recursive. You are not going to use the loop. So you are formally in 10, in n should be greater than 0, convert, and you have to calling the again method convert n by 2. Bin is equal to bin plus, what is the meaning of bin? That is a binary value, n modulus 2. So why you have taken n by 2? Why it is not n by 0? Sorry, n by 10. So because we are converting decimal to binary, means you have to divide the number by 2, and you can store the what is that reminders, right? Okay. Next, in the white display, in the question only has given, here you have to call the convert method and passing the values in the num, and it will become a formal parameter n, and you have to show the what is that decimal and binary equivalent. Once it is all the functions are over, you can call the public static void main. You can create the object, and here also the one important point: what is the class name you have taken? The same class name you have to take. Decibin. Here also you can, what is the function? Class name followed by object name is equal to new class name, and you can don't need to call the what is that constructor and get num. Why are not called obj dot convert here? Because I am going to call the convert in the display method, then display is enough, right? So you have to write the method, sorry, what is that, comments also, method, main method, and you have to write the single line comments. Don't forget to write the single line comments. Next question is question number 7. It is related to the double dimension array anti-clockwise. This we can discuss in the next class. I already run this program. A of m of 1 minus I, a of 1 minus j. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 160 degree ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. It is a matter of another 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, and one question from the string, and another we have remaining section C, one question from the inheritance, and one question from the this is actually the trickiest paper, the very toughest paper that we have generated or what we have created. In the board exam, you can expect the, as we know, in the section C, one question from the inheritance, one question from the data structure, and one question from the data structure means stack, queue, linked list, or circular queue, and one question from the binary tree, binary search tree, the sub questions, right? That we can discuss in the next class. I hope you people understand these points. So now question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, and question number 6 we have discussed, isn't it? Okay, thank you. I hope you people, the paper is not easy. It is a trickiest question paper, and don't forget to write do the program by using a recursive technique. That's it. Thank you.